I'm Christiana with Off Leash Canine of Southwest Missouri, and today I want to talk to you about Bear and Bentley. Bear is a 6-month-old German Shepherd and Bentley is a 3-year-old Beagle, and they are starting our 2-week board and train program today. Bear and Bentley are brothers, and so accordingly, they love to play and play hard. They love to bark and tumble each other over. They're constantly getting through their mom's legs and almost knocking her over. Of course, being a Beagle, Bentley has run away with his nose in the past. That nose is just working overtime every single day. And then Bear, he loves to follow Bentley wherever he goes, wherever that nose takes them. And basically their parents are just looking for them to be able to focus on what they're asking. And eventually they want to be able to take him on hikes and even potentially make Bear into a therapy dog. And so obedience training is always a great first step for that. So now that we've seen what Bear and Bentley are like before training, let's see their 2-week transformation.